Yeah, no touch, Ren.
Yeah.
Yeah, that.
Yeah, you're trying to. Okay. Okay. Yes, very. Excellent. This is. Okay, I'll be sending you one.
Graham, tell me what we're watching.
Train.
Trains. Is that your favorite?
Yeah.
Ren, what are we watching? Trains?
Goes.
There it goes. Maybe when you're bigger, Graham, in like 4 or 5 years, you can have a little one like that.
Yeah. Yeah. Goes.
There it goes.
Let's go that way.